Hello gamers, PC builders and tech lovers, it's time for the ultimate showdown. The RTX 5090 is coming soon. And the real question is, should you upgrade from the RTX 4090 or is it just hype? Today, we will break down everything: remote specs, real world performance and whether it's worth your money. Let's dive in. Alright, first up, what do we actually know about the RTX 5090? Well, NVIDIA hasn't officially confirmed anything, but leaks suggest it's going to be an absolute beast. Rumored specs: 20,000 plus CUDA cores, that's 20% more than the RTX 4090. 32GB GDDR7 VRAM, more memory equals smoother 4K gaming, boost clock 2.8 GHz plus. So say goodbye to lag forever. DLSS 4.0. Could this be the AI breakthrough? Imagine playing Cyberpunk in 8K ultra settings with no frame drops. Sounds crazy, right? But with DLSS 4.0 and AI-powered upscaling, this might be a reality. Hyping up the battle, but how does it actually compare to the RTX 4090? Let's break it down. Performance benchmarks, expected FPS. So yeah, the RTX 5090 is looking like a monster, but let's be real. If you are already running a 4090, do you really need this much power? Are you playing games or launching a rocket? Okay, now here is where things get interesting. The RTX 5090 might not just be about raw power. It could introduce NVIDIA's biggest AI improvement yet: DLSS 4.0, AI-powered upscaling. Imagine running games at 8K resolution but using AI upscaling from 4K. You get ultra-realistic graphics without destroying your FPS. That's the magic of AI-powered upscaling. Ray tracing 3.0. Ray tracing is already mind-blowing, but what if we got real-time path tracing in all games? It could make lighting and reflections look 100% realistic. Power consumption concern. Now here's a problem. With great power comes great energy bills. The RTX 5090 might push past 500 watt. That means bigger power supplies and more heat, and maybe even a mini AC unit just for your PC. Now for the moment of truth. How much will it cost? So, is the extra 20 to 30% performance worth paying $500 plus more? If you already own an RTX 4090, I'd say probably not. But if you're still having an RTX 3090 or older, the RTX 5090 might be the ultimate upgrade. Alright guys, that's the full breakdown of the RTX 5090 versus 4090. Are you upgrading or sticking with your current GPU? Drop down your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more awesome tech content. See you in the next one.